In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, go to Instagram and then tap on profile icon. Now tap on three line icon and then go to account center option. Now tap on connected experience option. Now go to sharing across profile. Now tap on your Instagram profile and then turn off sharing to your Instagram post, your Instagram story and Instagram reels. Turn up all three options and then go back to main settings. Now go to account type and tools option. Go to account type and tools option. Now tap on account type. Now tap on switch account type option and then switch your account to personal because some music is not available for business or creator account. After switch your account to personal, now restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.